Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with our makeup. Definitely going to use the CL skin tint. Make sure you mix it up first. If you have dry skin, you're definitely going to love this. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. I really love how this applies. I just gently press it into my skin. I place a little right here and then right here and just at a few areas like here, just where I have redness. I just bring it all the way up, which I'm really just filling in only the places that look really thin. Now I'm really excited to show you how I've been doing my eyeliner. What I've been doing is just outlining from here to here, and then I actually use a brush to kind of draw it out. So let me show you. And I try to keep it extremely thin. And also keep in mind, I have hooded eyes. So I just draw it kind of like this. And then actually what I do to kind of help me is I see this line here where I have that fold, and then I just put one little dot right here. And then I kind of squint my eyes and I try to draw it out straight. I don't know why it helps when you squint, but it does. And then what I like to do is I take a brush like this, something that's a little harder, not too soft of a brush. And then I just draw it out a little, trying to go straight. My ink liner again, and I try to get in really close to the lash line. Okay, so I already applied a mascara. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of bronzer just to add a little glow, a little definition, make it look real nice and pretty. Just going to add the Say Super Glow and just add it right here. Add a little extra glow, make it look real pretty. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of highlighter in here at the corner of my eyes, a little up here. Just looks so pretty and so fresh. Just a little bit of lip liner in here. Add a little extra definition. I'm going to use my Merit lipstick. You guys, look how glowy and fresh and just pretty this looks. Take a moment, like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.